Okay, this is the Koyo Centerless grinder that we have fully turnkey. Completely tooled it, integrated the automation, doing camshaft, the control gauge. I'll show you in a second. You'll see the part move out, gantry load. Get the part out, comes into the gauge. The gauge measures for taper and for size, automatic adjustment on size. It's a manual taper machine, manually adjusted taper machine. There's the Fanic Power Mate control. There's the readout on the control gauge. When the part is oversized due to wheel wear, it compensates. Automatic adjustment to the wheel inside. When the part begins to reach out of taper before it gets totally out of tolerance, the machine stops. Manual adjustment is made to taper. And you hit the reset button, which is easily located right there, and the machine begins cycle again. There's the gantry load into the machine. There is the template proving that the right part is in, error proofing. The part unload into the gauge and into the outgoing conveyor chute. Machine is operating beautifully. We're holding parts to within 1/10 taper across all 6 journals. The size is holding very nice. Tolerances plus or minus 4/10. Over 10 parts without adjustment, we're holding within 3/10. We'll be adjusting anyway, so the part should be being held probably within 1 or 2/10 on a regular basis. And that's where you load. Is machine, outgoing conveyance. There you go. Sister machines. This machine is doing the right hand cams. There's an identical machine. We're tooled up and we're running off next week as well. It is doing the left hand cam.